Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you that how to activate your dark mode in the Telegram app. Just open this Telegram app, friends, and suppose this one is showing the light mode and I have to set the dark mode. So friends, I am going to show you this in this video. Suppose you have to open this three line here. This page will come. Now friends, see this moon and you have to click on this moon. This dark mode is set. Now click on the sun, light mode is set. It is just like day night, day night, day night. So friend, by this way you can set the dark mode in the Telegram app. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.